So yeah, I'm doing a thing. What do you think is happening? So we were supposed to be going to the lighthouse over here, but there is no parking and it is completely packed. Like, it's crazy. Here she is. Look who likes the new blanket. Lily. Do you like the new blankie? Some of you are very vulnerable. One person said that she felt like she had a life coach with me by listening to my videos, which I absolutely love. Well, good morning, everyone. It's chilly out today. I know, are you surprised to hear me say that in Florida? It was so cold last night that I had to actually put on a pair of like long pants and some socks and put Lily's PJs on her because it was so chilly. I got rid of that huge down comforter that I had because it was such a pain. It was so bulky. I'm actually getting something else that's going to be a lot easier but still as warm. Didn't think I would need it this soon. I knew a cold front was coming in, but dang, this 50-degree weather feels like 40 to me or something. It's kind of interesting. Maybe it's because of the humidity, but I'm not complaining about this. This is nice. I like this actually. Oh, so we're here at the rest stop that we came over to last night because my spot at Cracker Barrel, well, it didn't work out very well. This rest area over here in Florida, this is near St Augustine off of 95. It has the restrooms over there, then it has a row for people to park where they just want to go in and out of the restroom. Then it has this row right here, another row behind it for RVs and some semis. There's another area on the other side that's just for semis. And then they have this area, it's a big loop that comes around this back foresty area. And then all of these like little pull-offs along the way, presumably because there's also like picnic tables and stuff over here that people can go to. But it's really nice, and it was quiet and quite comfortable and amazing. So kudos to Florida for having such nice rest areas, man. This is amazing. Beautiful bird singing, nature. Not as great as BLM. I'm not gonna complain, this is amazing. So we're headed out today for another scenic byway. It's the A1A again, up through St. Augustine, which so many of you guys have told me about. Cannot wait to get over there and explore that area. Lily, how you doing? Say hi to everyone. Huh? They wanna know how you're doing. Your teethy's doing okay? Yeah, so she had the teeth up here removed in the front of her mouth. Poor girl, I know. She's doing a lot better. In fact, this morning she sprinted across the field over here for a treat, of course. Yeah, she's doing good. She's still on antibiotics, of course. I have to give her all of those until they're completely done. And then I did give her another pain pill this morning. I think she's still in pain. She hides it very well. It's still really inflamed on her gums, and she's licking a lot, so part of it could be she's just not sure what's going on. The other part is she could be in pain, so it doesn't hurt her to give her the pill, so I'll probably continue that for another couple of days, see how she does. So the scenic byway we're doing today is this A1A Scenic and Historic Coastal Byway. We just got through with the Ormond Scenic, and then we skipped the Black Bear because these go to springs and wilderness, and we're just not going there right now. It's unfortunate because that would have completed all of my Florida. So in my book, it's page 149. We're gonna head over there. 149, here we go. So A1A Scenic Historic Coastal Byway goes from Ponte Verde Beach to Flagler. We're actually going the opposite direction. We're going from Flagler down here up north along A1A. 72 miles, 2 hours roughly, it says. The 2 hours or the time that they have there is always subjective because you're stopping and looking at stuff. So if you just drove straight through, it would be 2 hours. Otherwise, we're gonna stop and see stuff. So I didn't actually plan everything today because I had to leave my overnight spot last night. If you didn't see that video, you can click up here and see it. So I need to plan that really quick right now. So about another 30 minutes and then we'll be on the road. Made it over here to Flagler Beach, which is the starting point of the A1A Scenic Drive. As Siri is telling us. She's always interrupting me. Wow, you guys, look at those swells. I have not ever seen the Atlantic Ocean that turbulent since I've been over here. That's crazy. It's like pretty windy outside. Okay, let's see if I can get this. Wow, wow, wow.
Turn left onto North
That's
2nd Street.
insane.
Then your destination will be on the left.
Going over here. So yeah, I'm doing a thing. What do you think is happening? It's not a tattoo. Alright guys, can you see it? Ooh, it's right here. Yeah, my nose is a little tender right now, and he cleaned it so it looks, I don't have any makeup on this side, so you can kind of see that there's no makeup on there, but I got my nose pierced. It's a tiny little stud. There's some blood and stuff around it, which is why it looks dark, but it's just a tiny diamond stud with titanium post on it. I eventually want like a little small dainty hoop in there, but I like the stud too. Yeah, I've always wanted one and I haven't gotten it. I was in corporate America forever and this stuff is frowned upon, which is silly. It's just a piercing, like you pierce your ears. But I just love how cute it is. Just the tiny, like, I don't know, it's just feminine to me. It hurt, I will tell you, it hurt. But it's very small amount of pain. So anyways, he says it takes about 4 to 6 weeks to heal, so hopefully it heals fast. And he said I need to wear a band-aid on it at night so it doesn't accidentally fall out because it'll be really hard to get back in. Oh, I can't believe I did it. It took me a while to like really do it and have the courage to go do it, but it's just a piercing. Who cares? Let me know in the comments below if you guys have a piercing too. Oh, it does kind of hurt right now a little bit. Like just a little bit. I shouldn't touch it. I'm not going to touch it. Pulled over. Check that out. Ooh. That is incredible. The wind is so strong. I'm afraid my nose piercing is gonna fall out. I'm not going out there. You can hear it, but the wind is just whipping the van. Yeah, it's pretty intense. Look at that flag. You can kind of tell maybe by the flag too. Oh yeah. It's just beautiful though. So the A1A over here, it's nice. It's got spots over here off of the right that you usually can park in. Some places are marked no parking, but you can see that they have these wooden stairs that go down to the beach and the water, which clearly you wouldn't want to do right now. The water, the tide is in. Over off to the left, they either have residential places or they have a couple of like little restaurants, cute places. We're headed north on the A1A towards St Augustine. You doing okay, baby? Yeah. Your pain pill set in? I think so. Today is definitely not a beach day. It's way too windy out there. Lily hates the wind. As much as I know that she loves the beach, she does not like the wind, and just wouldn't be a good experience for either of us. Welcome to St. Augustine Beach. We made it. So we were supposed to be going to the lighthouse over here, but there is no parking and it is completely packed. Like, it's crazy. I've circled around everywhere for parking. So there's the lighthouse, guys. St. Augustine Light Station. Yeah, it's too crowded. I saw the alligator farm also over here. There was probably 200 people in line. No joke. Outside. Oh, this might not have been a good idea to come over here. It's during the middle of the week too, so I don't know. I need to pull over and figure it out right now. Alright guys, so I have decided to pretty much forego St. Augustine right now. It's really busy here. I've been to a couple of places that I wanted to go to, and the amount of people in these places that are there is just more than I'm comfortable with the pandemic, and a lot of people are not wearing masks. So please don't post anything about wearing a mask, not wearing a mask, whatever. It's my choice to wear a mask, and that's how I feel most comfortable. So again, this is not political. I've had several people lately who have made some snide comments, and I just delete their messages like I said I would. So Yeah, that's not going to be part of this channel. So that's just my comfortability level. And so I think I'm probably going to move on to Jacksonville, where I'll be seeing my friend Anthony at some point. I'm going to try a few more places. We'll see how that works out. I'm just not sure right now. It's such a bummer because St. Augustine is supposed to be so amazing. I'm going to actually go down, I think, St. George Street, which is kind of the historical area, and then just do kind of one more check to see. And if I feel like it's too much, then we won't stop. There is a ton of congestion. I was gonna go to St. George, but yeah, no, it's way too much. The traffic is horrible. And I just realized it's a holiday weekend. I don't know how I forget these things, but I do. One more place that I think most people won't go to. So we're gonna try it, and it's gonna take us a little while to get there. It says, well, it actually says 10 minutes, but we have this congestion over here, so I don't know. We'll see. We got to get over this bridge. Here is the bridge. It's called Bridge of Lions. Bridge of Lions, if you can see that there. Wow, super pretty out there. And I can see some of the historical buildings. One of the things about St. Augustine, it was founded in 1565, and it's one of the oldest inhabited cities still to this day. So that's actually pretty cool. Oh, man, I'm so bummed that we're not going to really be able to see this place. Wow, look at the details there of the columns. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at those buildings up there. Oh, I'm so bummed. We're not going to see it. Look at all the boats in the harbor. Wow. Do you like how I say, look, 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 look? Sorry, guys. And over here too. Nice, nice. Wow, I love the architecture up there. That's beautiful. Really beautiful. Yeah, look at all those cars. Heck no. Not doing it. Even have a police officer, looks like, out here directing traffic. To the right. A1A, we're staying on A1A. Oh my gosh, I love the architecture. Yeah, geez, too many people. I gotta turn Siri back up so I can hear her a little bit for directions. It's a love-hate relationship with that woman. Well, here's the Castillo de San Marcos National Monument. Do you like my Spanish accent? Look at all the people though. Castillo, is that how I pronounce it? Castillo de San Marcos National Monument. It's one of the oldest forts out here that, you know, of course, held the country, held the land during all those battles so many years ago. The place we're going to is only 0.5 miles away, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it either. We'll see. All right, I found it. What do you think it is? You know, don't you? All right, hold on. Let me get it all set up here. Here she is. The old Senator live oak tree. One of the most remarkable trees, it says, in North America, reputed to be well over 600 years old, and thus surviving as though silent witness to that dramatic moment in 1513 when Juan Ponce de Leon finally discovered St. Augustine's famed Fountain of Youth, a mere 600 feet from this very spot. Isn't she gorgeous? 600 years old, guys. 600 years old. Well, well over, it says, actually. She's all decorated up too with some lights, little jewelry. Look at her limbs. They go all the way out there, over the parking lot. She's got some Spanish moss up there too. Oh yeah. She's huge. Aw, thank you so much. You're so beautiful. I love these live oaks. They are really, really pretty. Oh, and look at this. They have this nice sitting area around here, so people can partake of her beauty and hang out. Just amazing. Look at those limbs. Let's see if I can get like how tall she is by moving away. I really need a wide angle lens for my camera, I think. Okay, how about that? Maybe that one? Okay. Oh my gosh, she's magnificent! Beautiful. I'm headed to Jacksonville now, and we'll just see what the rest of the day holds for us and explore. I also need to go get some stuff to clean this jewelry. There's a huge list of instructions that I need to follow to keep it clean and let it heal really quickly, so. Alright, I think I found my new blanket for my bed. I've been looking at them online. Supposedly, it's like really nice and warm. It's a puffy blanket. And they have the color that I want too, sunset fade. And it's very compact inside of here. Unlike my down comforter. Just ran over here to REI to see if they had something. And they totally came through. I love REI. Look who likes the new blanket. Lily. Do you like the new blankie? So I got rid of the white down comforter that was super puffy and got this at REI. They had it on the Amazon too, but I thought, well, if I'm over by REI and they have it, I might as well get it from there. But it's supposed to be really warm. It's a camping blanket, and I have to take all of this stuff off. But it's less than 2 pounds, and it's lightweight, and it's actually got these like rip stops in them and areas where you can clip and wrap the blanket around you if you wanted to. A little bit easier on the bed and not so bulky. And Lily loves it. Look at her. Cute girl. How you doing, Byway? You like it, don't you? It's all nice and warm. Lily, you're so cute, baby. Mama loves you. You feeling better, honey? Well, we got over here at, can you guess? Cracker Barrel. It's been my favorite spot along the way. You know why? Because it's very woodsy typically, and it's got a lot of grass for Lily and I to walk on, and it's a safe place typically to stay, except for that weird one that we were at yesterday and had to move. We're in Jacksonville, Florida, but we are done for now with all of the Florida scenic highways and byways. There's one more that I have to do, but I'm not going to get to it because it goes to a bunch of state parks and springs, and it would be kind of well, not really great for me to go there. One, because I know I'm allergic to those no-see-ums, and two, I know I'm not going to kayak by myself out there. I'd love to go with somebody, so maybe when I come back down this way in the winter, or maybe sometime next year, I'll do it then. We'll finish up Florida Scenic Highways and Byways from the National Geographic book. I just wanted to also tell you guys how much I've enjoyed your stories and your comments, especially those of you who have listened to my videos all the way to the very end and listened to the messages that I've been talking about, which is about story chasing and how to create the stories of your life. That's what story chasing is all about, is really creating those stories, creating those moments, and living your life to the absolute fullest. And I asked you guys to share your stories with me. 1, are you already doing it? 2, if you're not, why not? And 3, what's holding you back? And you guys are delivering. So I so appreciate every single one of you who have commented with your stories. Some of you are very vulnerable. One person said that she felt like she had a life coach with me by listening to my videos, which I absolutely love. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming along on this journey with me today. I really appreciate you guys so much. You're an absolute blessing. And I love you guys so much for everything that you have done for me as well. All right, have a good night, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.